Let us see how to highlight the duplicates in Google Sheet. So in this column B, you can see that this Tokyo is duplicated on row number 2 and row number 4. So let us see how to highlight that. For that, go to the format and then click on conditional formatting. After that, you have to select the range. So I want to highlight the duplicates in this B column. Okay, so starting from B2 to B5, for example. After that, here you have to select custom formula, and in the value or the formula you have to type is equal to count if dollar B $2 dollar B $5 comma B2, the first value, and greater than 1. So basically what this formula does is that it checks if the value is duplicated. Okay, so greater than 1 means the value is duplicated, and if it is duplicated, what we are telling is that change the background color to this one. You can change to different color as well, for example this one, or say this one. That's it. Thanks for watching.